Hi, welcome. This is room 7283.
So, on this cruise, we got a free upgrade to a Promenade interior room. We've never seen one before, and so it's exciting to have this. It means that we actually got a view of the Promenade, and we had a window, which was quite a nice surprise. As you can see here, we have a nice, decent-sized wardrobe. There's plenty of space to be able to put a suitcase and all of our clothes quite easily, which is great.
And if you come with me, we'll just go through the rest of the room. So you have here the bed. It's nice, let's feel it. Yeah, feels nice. Nice and hard. Royal always do good beds, I have to say. So we've got storage here. There we go. Woo-hoo. Oh, that's all the lights off. There you go. Got some mood lighting. Got the aircon on, nice and cold. We're not on it for super long, so it doesn't really matter. There's a welcome pack here. Continental. So, Continental is complimentary. Oh, sorry. There you go. American breakfast is chargeable for $7.95 per room. Room service menu there. Okay, this is the bathroom. It's not a bad size. You've got your little cups there. Bar of soap. Storage, there's a bin there. Nice white towels. Nice towels here, they're just nice and fresh. Save the wave. And then just a little warning here. What not to flush down the toilet. Just walked in here. And you've got a shower. Perfectly decent size. There you go. It's alright, perfect amount of space for one night. Not for one night, but for 3 nights we're here. I mean, actually, I'll be happy with this for a week, to be honest.
Unfortunately, we found out very quickly that there's a hole right there where my finger is, pointing directly between the shower and underneath the toilet, so it meant that the bathroom became a bit of a paddling pool.
I personally really like this room. I know, it feels quite homely. We've got an announcement channel there. I'm going to turn it off, because I don't know if I want it on. Oh, no, that's on. Make sure it's clean. It's alright, it's okay.
Unfortunately, at this point, it was pointed out by Austin that actually there were a few hairs on the table, long ones, which don't belong to myself or to Austin, which is slightly concerning. As you can see here, it wasn't just one, there were several hairs, which isn't a great start to a cabin tour or to the overall cleanliness of the room.
Got what looks like a little mini bar. Nice. Yeah, it's cool. Got space there. You've got these 2 little nice sofas. I don't know if that's a stain, I don't know if it is. Actually, considering that the room is, the ship was built 15-20 years ago, I don't think it's in bad shape, to be honest. No USB ports by the side of the bed, which is a shame, but, you know, it's not the end of the world. We just have to use the USB points over there. So, that's the only thing I'd say about it. But if I show you around here, we've got a table, 2 little sofas, one there, one here, and this is our view. So if I go around there, you can see, there you go.
So, the cabin definitely had some issues, but the one undeniable good part is this incredible, unique view of the Royal Promenade. It's amazing for people watching and seeing all the parties and parades down below. So, the big question, was the free upgrade to cabin 7283 worth it? That's the tour of the room. Hope you like it. It's a pretty cool room. I think I'm going to be quite happy here for the next 3 days. And I'll be quite happy here for a week, I think. It feels quite comfortable. I don't feel like I miss the sunlight. I feel like I'm quite looking forward to having quite a decent sleep as well. So yeah, see you later. So, what happened next? Did we complain? Did Royal Caribbean fix the problems? To find out exactly how they handled it, you'll have to watch our next video where we cover our first sea day. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that resolution. Thanks for watching.